Best Pickleball Paddles. Are you looking for the best pickleball paddles? In this video we will look at some of the best pickleball paddles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Onix Graphite Z5. Onix is a top name in the pickleball world, and the Graphite Z5 paddle has become one of their most popular models for good reason. Designed with a graphite face and a wide hitting surface, this paddle provides excellent control and a large sweet spot, making it ideal for beginners who are still adjusting to the speed and dynamics of the game. Its forgiving surface helps new players hit consistent shots while giving intermediate players the precision needed for strategic plays. Weighing in at 8.2 ounces, the Z5 is versatile enough for players who are unsure of their preferred paddle weight. The handle is designed with a tennis racket-like grip that is both comfortable and secure, offering relief during long matches or intense rallies. The cushioned handle reduces strain on your hand and wrist, making it easier to maintain control throughout play. In our hands-on testing, the Graphite Z5 impressed with its balanced feel and responsive performance. Its Onix honeycomb core allows for powerful returns without sacrificing accuracy, while a reinforced edgeguard helps protect against accidental drops, chipping, and cracks. This durability ensures the paddle lasts through countless practice sessions and competitive matches. At just under $100, the Onix Graphite Z5 delivers outstanding performance and value, combining the advantages of a high-quality graphite paddle with a design suitable for players at any skill level. Whether you're just starting out or looking to compete in tournaments, this paddle can grow with your game. Specifications: weight, 8.2 ounces. Dimensions, 8.3 by 15.5 inches. Grip circumference, 4.25 inches. Number 2. Head Radical Elite. Fiberglass paddles are known for providing excellent control, though they generally don't offer the same raw power as graphite paddles. The trade-off, however, is worth considering. Fiberglass paddles are typically more affordable, making them an attractive option for beginners or those on a budget. The Head Radical Elite stands out as one of the best fiberglass paddles available, thanks to its lightweight construction, strong composite materials, and well-balanced performance. Its design is perfect for long volleys where accuracy and precision matter most. The composite hitting surface absorbs impact, giving a soft, responsive feel that allows players to control their returns with ease. While the Radical Elite comes in just two vibrant colors, orange and yellow, our hands-on testing showed that the paddle delivers outstanding value for its low price point of around $70. The handle is longer than most standard pickleball paddles, which is a thoughtful feature that allows players to execute two-handed backhands comfortably. Like the Onix Z5, the Radical Elite is suitable for competitive play, but as your skills progress, you may find yourself desiring a paddle with more power. For players who want to focus on control, precision, and consistency, essential skills for beginners, the Radical Elite is a top choice that combines performance and affordability. It's a paddle that can help you build your game while staying gentle on your budget. Specifications: weight, 8.1 ounces. Dimensions, 9 by 16 inches. Grip circumference, 4.16 inches. Number 3. Selkirk Sport SX4 Starter Pack. If you're looking for an all-in-one pickleball set to enjoy with a friend or a loved one, the Selkirk SX4 Starter Pack is an excellent choice. This convenient kit includes two high-quality paddles, for durable balls, and a practical carrying bag, giving you everything you need to start playing right away without buying additional equipment. The SX4 paddles themselves are thoughtfully designed with features that help beginners gain confidence on the court. Each paddle has a polymer honeycomb core, which helps absorb impact and reduces strain on your wrist and arm during extended play. The G4 Control graphics surface with SpinFlex technology adds a textured finish to the paddle face, allowing players to better control ball placement and apply spin, an ideal feature for learning strategy and precision. Comfort is another highlight of the SX4 paddles. The cushioned handles absorb sweat and provide a secure grip, so you won't have to worry about the paddle slipping during fast rallies. Despite their sturdy construction, these paddles are surprisingly lightweight, weighing just 7.5 ounces, making them easy to handle for players of nearly all ages and skill levels. Whether you're just starting out in pickleball or want a reliable set for casual doubles play, the Selkirk SX4 Starter Pack delivers both quality and convenience. It's a fantastic way to practice, improve, and enjoy the game with a partner without compromising on performance. Specifications: weight, 7.5 ounces. Dimensions, 7.8 by 15.67 inches. Grip circumference, 4.25 inches. Number 4. JOOLA Essentials Paddle. Austin, Texas-based Recess has made a name for itself with stylish, high-quality pickleball gear and apparel, and the Vista Pickleball Paddle is one of their standout offerings. As one of the brand's best-selling paddles, the Vista is available in nearly 40 unique colorways, ranging from timeless classic patterns to limited edition designs, allowing players to express their personality on the court while enjoying a premium playing experience. Beyond aesthetics, the Vista is built for performance. Its sanded texture paddle surface provides excellent spin control, helping beginners and intermediate players place their shots with precision. The honeycomb core offers standard power, striking a balance that is forgiving for newcomers but versatile enough for more advanced play. This combination ensures a smooth learning curve while still allowing room to grow and improve your skills. Every Vista paddle comes with a protective edgeguard to reduce the risk of chips and scratches, as well as a branded canvas cover to keep your paddle safe during transport. The handle is comfortable and well balanced, making it easy to maintain control during fast-paced rallies or longer sessions on the court. With a weight of just 7.5 ounces, the Vista is light enough for nearly any player to handle comfortably, and its dimensions 7.8 by 15.67 inches with a 4.25-inch grip circumference make it a versatile option for a wide range of playing styles. Whether you're starting out or looking to add flair to your game, the Recess Vista Pickleball Paddle combines style, comfort, and essential performance features to make learning and playing pickleball both fun and rewarding. Specifications: weight, 7.5 ounces. Dimensions, 7.8 by 15.67 inches. Grip circumference, 4.25 inches. Number 5. Rokne Curve Classic. JOOLA is one of the most trusted names in pickleball, and their Essentials paddle offers an ideal starting point for beginners who want a paddle that can grow with their game. While it's not the brand's most advanced model, the Essentials paddle delivers a large sweet spot and a soft, responsive touch, making it easier for new players to perfect their shots and build confidence on the court. One of the standout features is the perforated handle, which promotes breathability and ensures the paddle stays securely in your hand during rallies. This thoughtful design reduces slippage from sweat and provides a comfortable grip for extended play. Weighing 8.2 ounces, the paddle is lightweight enough for most players, allowing for easy maneuverability while still maintaining control and stability. The JOOLA Essentials paddle was created in collaboration with Ben Johns, a pro player in the Professional Pickleball Association, PPA. His input helped design a paddle that is beginner-friendly but still features performance qualities that support skill development. As players progress, the Essentials paddle serves as a natural stepping stone to more advanced options, such as the official JOOLA Ben Johns CFS tournament paddle, making it a versatile choice for long-term improvement. With its combination of comfort, control, and thoughtful design, the JOOLA Essentials paddle is perfect for new players who are serious about learning the game while still enjoying every match. It's a reliable, high-quality paddle that balances playability with a price point accessible to entry-level enthusiasts. Specifications: weight, 8.2 ounces. Dimensions, 7.9 by 15.5 inches. Grip circumference, 4 inches.